Okay, so what we have here is the two M18 mid torque impact wrenches from Milwaukee, 18 volt. This is the old version, almost I think 2 years old. I made a video about this a while back. It was not that impressive. I'll leave a link in the description. Here's the new version. I think almost 100 foot-pounds more fastening torque. This was 450. This is 550. And both 18 volt. What we're going to do, we're going to put them both on the Skidmore torque tester. Both with 5 amp hour XC batteries, speed 3. And we'll give it a shot and see what numbers they put out. When you look at the gauge, it is in pounds. You want to divide the number by 70, and that'll give you your rough foot-pounds. All right, so let's give it a shot, see what happens. Okay, all right, this is the original mid-torque impact wrench, 450 foot-pounds of torque. And we got it on speed 3, fully charged 5 amp hour XC battery. The new mid torque, speed 3, fully charged 5 amp hour XC battery. Alright guys, I was not expecting to see that. There definitely is a huge difference between these two, the old version and the new version. I was not expecting to see the needle move so quickly with this one. It really does put out that power a lot faster than this one, and it just feels like it hits a lot harder. It's just a feeling. So don't go by that, but having them back to back in my hand, it just feels a little bit crazier. So I was not expecting there to be such a big difference because I was never impressed with this one. So I guess good work, Milwaukee. I never say that. I guess let's see how this one does on rusty nuts and fasteners and nuts and bolts, and how it does in the real world, and we'll see how good it really is.